Hello everyone. Myself Prastuti SAUD, a faculty member of Department of Economics, Dorong College, Tejpur. Welcome you all in our virtual tutorial class. So here we are going to learn about revealed preference theory, and this one is from BA/BSc third semester, which comes under first unit, that is consumer theory. Therefore, today here we are going to learn about what is revealed preference theory, who propounded it, why do we study this concept, its assumptions with diagrammatic explanation, and in addition, what is strong ordering. So let's first grasp the basic concepts before we proceed. We are all aware that every product we consume gives us satisfaction. That is, we receive utility. There was cardinal approach which was given by Marshall, and according to him, whatever we consume, suppose for example tea and coffee. Additionally, we can measure the utility we receive when we consume it using the cardinal utility approach. As an illustration, drinking tea provides us with 10 utilities, while drinking coffee provides us with 20. So based on this, two laws were created. That is law of diminishing marginal utility and law of equimarginal utility. However, many economists disagree with this law, arguing that it is unrealistic because it is impossible to quantify our utility in numerical terms. Then another approach came, that is ordinal approach. Let us now examine the implications of it. However, the ordinal approach states that although a consumer cannot quantify a good's utility in cardinal form, we can rank which good provides us with the greatest and the lowest levels of utility. Let's take the example of tea and coffee again. Now, the consumer can rank between the two of whichever is giving him maximum satisfaction. And under this, two theorem came. That is, indifference curve approach, and in 1938, another theorem came, that is, revealed preference theory. Now we will be learning about this topic. If we simply see the word meanings, revealed means to reveal or to show or to expose. And preference means, like suppose when we have a lot of options in our hands and have to choose between them, we are giving preference. So this way, we are revealing our preference. And this theory has been propounded by an American economist, Paul A. Samuelson, in the year 1938. He says that the best way to measure consumer preference or analyzing choices is to study their purchasing behavior under different income and price circumstances. And this way, one question arises, and that is, why we study this concept. This study allows us to forecast the behavior of consumers, like how they react to price change and income level. This theory makes a major advancement in the theory of demand, and through this study we can predict how consumers' choices reflects their preferences. This theory works on few assumptions, and one important assumption here is that consumers have considered a set of alternatives before making the purchasing decisions. He have many options before him. When he have already studied about them, then he will select one option or bundle amongst them in order to purchase them. And when he is purchasing a specific bundle of good, then that bundle is revealed preferred to any other bundle. But the other bundle is also affordable as well. But if any bundle is superior or out of his budget line, then he is not revealing his preference for that with the others. He will only reveal his preference for one particular bundle among all other bundle which comes under the same price range. Suppose like you are visiting a particular bakery shop or cafe, and there you have few options under same price range. And you love having cupcakes among all other varieties of cakes and pastries. And you are having options among different flavored cupcakes with the same price for each. And suppose you love the flavor of vanilla more than remaining other options. So whenever you visit that cafe, you only go for vanilla cupcake, and this way you have revealed your preference for that particular flavored cupcake, that is vanilla cupcake, even if you have other options in the same price range. And there are cakes in lower price ranges and cakes with higher price ranges as well. And the ones with lower price range will be inferior for him. And the remaining with higher price range are superior, which means those are above his budget line, which is out of the league of the consumer. So this is the actual concept of this theory. And there are various other assumptions popping on the slide as well. The first one we can see here is rational consumer. It says that the consumer knows everything, so he seeks to maximize his satisfaction because he have all the knowledge about the market pattern. So that way he will be seeking to maximize his utility level, satisfaction level. So this way the consumer is rational. The next assumption is consistent consumer behavior. That is, the consumer is always consistent to his, suppose like he is having a consistent behavior, like no condition can change consumer behavior, means he will always prefer, suppose like if he is preferring a particular bundle over any other bundle, he will stick to that. He will always prefer that bundle over any other bundle that he has preferred at the first place. The next assumption is positive income elasticity of demand. It says that when income increases, the demand for normal goods increases. And last, the most important one, that is transitivity. And this will be better understandable with the help of the diagram that is shown in the next slide. So here, it says that the consumer will only select the best option. So, if under his budget, he has two combinations or two bundles, that is A and B. Suppose if he is preferring bundle A over B, then if he is left out with bundles B, which comes under his budget, and the other one, suppose like for example D, which is superior. So ultimately he will anyway choose bundle B over D. Then ultimately it says that the consumer will only select the best option. So he will only go for bundle A over any other bundles given to him. Hence, in the diagram, good X is measured along the X-axis and good Y is measured along the Y-axis. Additionally, our budget line, a straight line which is downward sloping, has been displayed. And in the diagram, bundle A and B comes under his budget, and bundle C is inferior good and D is superior good, which is out of the league of the consumer. And he will never go for any other options other than A and B, whose price range is same and both of them are under his control. Reveal preference theory is also known as behavioristic ordinal utility theory. Now we will discuss about strong ordering at the conclusion. Strong ordering, it implies that there is definite ordering of various combinations in consumers' scale of preference, and therefore the choice of a combination by a consumer reveals. Well, that's all about the topic. Thank you.